Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'm going to be checking out Guru Nanda's Essential Oil Honeycomb Diffuser. Guru Nanda is basically known for, their essential oils. They also do have an oral care brand and line actually. It actually comes just all gray, but then you can turn on the lights and then it can change colors, which is what this is. The mist time lasts about 3 to 6 hours. Perfect for, when you're going to bed. You can put it beside your nightstand or something like that, to relax, if you want to use lavender or some other calming scent, or when people are coming over, just to like brighten up or change up the scents of the room. Working, relaxing, wellness, just in general home. They do come with loads of different scents. Your regular packs, lavender, eucalyptus, orange, lemongrass, etc. If you want to focus more on, like tranquility, immunity, relaxation, harmony, breathing easy, all that stuff, they do come with therapeutic grade essential oils on both sides. So if you know what kind of scent you want, you can choose this. If you want a certain type of feeling, you want to go ahead and select one of these. So it just depends on, if you want in the mood for, relaxation, in the mood for lemongrass, whatever it is. There's 2 different styles. Let's just go ahead and open up the basic one first. Oh, magnetic. Comes with a case that you can literally just like put your essential oils in, so you don't have to find someplace else to put it. And it also tells you, where they globally farmed their essential oils. And there is a difference between the grades of essential oils. This particular one is therapeutic grade. That means it is the best grade that possible you could get. Oil in and of itself, as you're ingesting it, is not gonna cause you harm. As with some essential oils, they do mix it with other things. You're definitely getting top of the grade with Guru Nanda. Let's go ahead and open up the actual diffuser itself. I love the purple. It's like so fun, with like the mandala in the back. That's really cute branding right there. The diffuser is really quite small. It's like the size of my hand. It's impressive that it does last like 3 to 6 hours, just with this little guy. There's where everything is. So as you can see over there, that little red dot, that's where the max line is, where you pour in your water. All you need is a cord, plug it in, start using it. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. The cord is quite long. I like that. We went ahead and plugged it in. We're gonna go ahead and pour the water until that little red dot. If you click on it once, red, green, blue, and alternating LED light. And then if you can see the mist, here you can see it in my hair. It's already started. If I click on this, it basically, you see the color goes dark, but the mist still keeps going. So if you click on it one more time, it basically changes the mist so that it goes intermittently, so it's not like a continuous flow. If you click it one final time, then the unit goes off. Okay, first time, mist plus changing of the colors. Second time, continuous mist, but no color. Third time, no color and alternating mist. Fourth time, off, basically. With these essential oils, basically, it just really depends on the potency of what you want. You can decide to, do 4 drops. You can decide to do 10 drops. This size, I would probably do anywhere from 5, maximum 10 drops. I would do like around 5 drops. But once again, that's a total preference, and that's up to you. Loving the honeycomb, Guru Nanda. Highly recommend their product. They strive to be top of the line, and they are. So if you do want to purchase this, go ahead and check out the link below. You don't necessarily even have to just purchase their diffuser and their essential oils. You can just purchase their essential oils by themselves. Yeah, so check out the link below. Let me know what you think about this, this diffuser and these essential oils in the comments below. If you like product unboxings and unopenings, I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.